Good morning to all. We are in chapter 10 ratio exercise 10.1. Question number 4. Visakha's annual income is rupees 80,000, out of which she gave rupees 5,000 as income tax. Find the ratios of first income tax ratio income, second income ratio income tax. So solution: Visakha's annual income is equal to 80,000 rupees. Now income tax, how many? Rupees 5,000. So first one, find the ratio of ratio is equal to income tax ratio income. So income tax value is 5,000 rupees, ratio income value is rupees 80,000. So rupees 5,000 upon rupees 80,000. 1 0 cancel, again another 1 0 will cancel, another also cancel, rupees will also cancel. 5 upon 80, 5 1 ja 5, here also 5 1 ja 5, 8 minus 5 3, 3 and 0 30, to 5 6 ja 30, to 1 upon 16. So what is the answer? 1:16 is the answer. Now second one here, income ratio income tax. So ratio is equal to income ratio income tax. Income is how many? Income is 80,000 rupees and income tax is rupees 5,000. So rupees 80,000 upon rupees 5,000. Rupees cancel, 0 cancel. What is remaining? 80 upon 5, 5 1 ja 5, 5 16 ja 80. So 16 upon 1, it means 16:1. That is your answer. Now question number 5. Munnu and Bunnu participated in a race. In the given time, Munnu covered 210 meter and Bunnu covered 180 meter in the same time. What will be the ratio of the distance covered by Munnu and Bunnu in the race? So in race, Munnu covered distance, how many? 210 meter. Bunnu covered distance, how many? 180 meter. Now what we have to find? Ratio we have to find. Distance covered by Munnu and Bunnu. So here distance covered by Munnu upon distance covered by Bunnu. So here distance covered by Munnu is 210 meter. Distance covered by Bunnu is 180 meter. Meter cancel, 0 cancel. 21 upon 18. तो देखें, it will cancel by the table of 3. 3 6 ja 18, 3 7 ja 21. So 7 upon 6. So answer is 7:6. So the ratio of the distance covered by Munnu and Bunnu in the race is 7:6. Now question number 7. The number of students in a school is 1500. Out of these, 600 are girls. Find out the ratio of number of boys and girls in the school. So solution: total number of students in a school is 1500, where number of girls is how many? 600. So we have to find here number of boys. So here total student 1500 minus number of girls 600. So number of boys is 900. Now we have to find here ratio. Which ratio? Number of boys and girls. So ratio is equal to number of boys and number of girls. So here what is the number of boys? 900 upon number of girls is 600. Here 0 0 cancel. So 9 upon 6, 3 table, 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9. So 3 upon 2. So what is the ratio? 3:2. So what is the answer? The answer is the ratio of number of boys and girls is 3:2. Now see question number 8. Divide 20 balloons in the ratio of 2:3 between Bhanu and Bangaru. How many balloons will Bhanu and Bangaru get? So solution here, total balloons are how many? Total balloons is equal to 20. There are 20 balloons. And the ratio of given 2:3. To let the ratio be H. And in bracket 2:3. So Bhanu gets balloon how many? 2H. Bangaru gets balloon how many? 3H. Now according to question, 2H plus 3H, Bhanu's balloons and Bangaru's balloon plus how many balloon? 20. 2H plus 3H is equal to 5H is equal to 20. So H is equal to 20 upon 5. 5 1 ja 5. 5 4 ja 20. So H is equal to 4. So Bhanu gets how many balloon? Here 2H given. So 2 multiplied by 4. 8 balloon. Bangaru gets balloon how many H given? 3H. So 3 multiplied by 4, 12 balloon. So 8 plus 12, total balloon is 20. Means our solution is right. Now today's your homework is page number 139, exercise 10.1, question number 6 and 9 is your homework.